Career Tips with Jen. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. We have this guest room that has been unused, of course, because of COVID, and we need a place to be able to do our work that is separate, that is comfortable, and we have an office, but there are several of us in the house who are doing university from home and work from home right now. And so I thought I would give this room a little bit of a makeover, because sometimes just freshening things up on the outside makes us feel calmer and more at ease on the inside. I don't know if that's your experience, but I know that when things are messy and cluttered and not calm, then that's a problem. And so having to move everything into the kitchen or into the dining room where other things happen can sometimes be a problem, because then you have to work around everything that you're trying to work around. Now, we are fortunate in that we have a spare space, but I know that some of you have created office spaces and workspaces in the corner of a dining room, or the corner of a hallway, or the corner of your living room. There are all sorts of places that we're able to find. So today all I'm doing is changing the color, because this room has actually not been painted since we moved in here, and I'm tired of the blue. So we'll leave the blue on the bottom, but I'm going to freshen up the upper part of it and make a little staging area where I can do videos and not be interrupted or be bothering anyone else. So that's my tip for the day, is if you can organize and calm a certain place in your house and have a dedicated workspace, even if it's a tiny little corner somewhere that is just for work, that you don't have to keep putting away and taking out and putting it away, then when you've got things organized and settled and calm, you might feel that way inside. Here I go. Still in my painting clothes. It's taken me a couple of days to do this, but I'm really happy with the outcome, and now there's a place for me to be able to do these videos with you. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time in Quick Career Tips with Jen.